This garden was started basically to provide an outdoor classroom for our students at Dennis Lab, give them opportunities to actually put hands-on, learn hands-on, to come out and actually learn by doing. We have just started with the garden. We had a garden club this summer where they learned about bees, they learned about birds, they learned about planting, they learned about taking care of gardens, taking care of plants, the vegetables and the nutrients and the vitamins that, there are so many different worthwhile things to learn about from a garden. There has been a lot of work. We have really a fantastic parent base that have come in and helped out. Mrs. Phillips, Mrs. Novak really put a lot of work into the garden this summer, along with a couple of students from Millikin. Beth Nolan has done a wonderful job in helping us secure a grant for the garden. Millikin has been fantastic in donating not only the land, allowing us to use the land, but they've also donated the lawnmower, and they come and take care of the garden or the grounds for us.
So you would say the Millikin partnership is going great?
Oh, it's fantastic. We have had a table of tomatoes at our school, so they've been parents are free to come and get them. We are also, thanks to Bizoo, they're going to buy some of our vegetables from us and do from a garden to the plate dinner. So that they're wonderful in their support.
And how long did it take to organize this whole garden?
Well, it's still a working project. I mean, we've been just about a year since it started, and it started with 3 beds. And if you want to take a look, how far we've come in 1 year. And so what's exciting is that we're actually just a year in. I mean, we've got many more years out here. So I can't wait to see what it looks like in 10 years.
The garden was started because we wanted to turn this empty lot into a garden, and we thought it could be something useful for the kids to be able to use, for the community to enjoy it. It's been great for the West End. I was one of the teachers this summer at the garden club, which we met on Monday and Thursday evenings. The kids loved coming up here, talking about the different vegetables, the different things that we were growing. They learned about flowers, they learned about gardening, they learned about just different crafts. Every night we did crafts, we did projects about food. They'd always wanted to come. It was a really good experience. The children learned, like I said, these vegetables are going to be harvested, and the kids got to pick them today. They're going to be taken to the Bizoo restaurant, and they're buying them from us. They're going to have them at their dinner, a dinner at their restaurant on Thursday evening. So it'll be neat for the kids to get to see that they are actually getting to sell some of the produce that they helped grow from the seed. They started growing them in 3rd grade from seeds, and they used lights inside, which helped the seeds grow. Then we transplanted them here in the garden in about March, and then so far it's just done great. The students learn a lot of science. They learn all the types of the plant. They learn about what it takes to grow things. They learn about ecosystems. They learn about math, how long things take. They made a lot of graphs to show how things were growing. They learned a lot of reading. We had lots of books even today. The kids were reading books about plants. Millikin, the partnership with Millikin is going great. We love Millikin this summer with the grant for the Summer Garden Club. They had Millikin students help us too, and they were teachers at the garden. They've given us ideas. It's a work in progress. We're just planning, like this was phase 1. Some of the tables, picnic tables, all the vegetables, all the things growing. Next year we're looking to build a stage. We're looking to build even more things. And so things will keep changing here. So talking about eats the vegetables, we're gonna go back to the room right now, have salsa. We're gonna make salsa with the tomatoes and the peppers. And so the kids are gonna get to enjoy it. I'd say we've been talking about this for about 6 months, definitely. So it's been a very good experience. Kids are very excited to come outside to learn. I'm going to bring my classes up here some more to read and to harvest vegetables and talk about what it's like to garden. This will be a lifelong learning for them. They're going to learn how to take care of vegetables, gardens forever.
Hi, I'm Sydney Ray from Heartland Tech Academy, and I'm here with
Melania Botts.
My name is Jack Kramer.
Deshaun
What's your last name, Deshaun?
Smith.
I'm here with Deshaun Smith. I want to ask you a few questions about the garden you are having here. Can you explain to me how can seeds turn into vegetables?
Well, the roots come out of the seed, and then a tiny stem starts to sprout, and after that, it starts to grow leaves, and then flowers. If it's a flowering plant, flowers start to grow, and then the vegetable starts to you begin to see the vegetable. And then the vegetable grows larger in size.
I'm here to ask you a few questions about your garden out here. Can you explain to me how seeds turn into vegetables?
Well, first you have to take the seed and plant it and put dirt over it. Then you have to make sure it has sun and water and wait a couple months, and then if you come back up to the garden, then you will see that it has sprouted. Seed turns into how it turns into a vegetable is water makes it grow in the sunlight.
You said water and sunlight? Mm-hmm. What else?
And air.
What's your favorite part about this project?
Getting to sell and eat some of the vegetables and fruits.
What's your favorite thing about the project?
That we get to learn about plants. My favorite thing about growing in the garden is getting to harvest the plants and sell them, and we get to eat some of them. That's my favorite part.
How much work did you put into doing this?
A lot. I've been here for 3 years.
What did you do?
I picked out a lot of tomatoes and beets and stuff.
What's your favorite vegetable to eat?
My favorite vegetable to eat would be probably the carrot. Carrots. Tomatoes.
How do you cook carrots?
Well, you can bake them. You can chop them up and bake them with butter. You can also grill them. I think that's it. That's all I know. Well, I really don't know. You're supposed to chop it up, put it in hot water, and then that's basically all I know.
Okay. Did you get to taste the mint leaf?
Yes.
What did you think about it?
It was very minty. I like the smell of it.
Okay. Well, thank you for being here with my interview, and nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay. Well, thank you for doing this interview with me. It was nice meeting you.
It was nice meeting you too.
Well, I'm here with Deshaun, and this is our interview. Thank you, and nice to meet you.
You too.